Oblique triangle trigonometry. An oblique triangle is any triangle that is not a right triangle. It could be an acute triangle. All three angles of the triangle are less than right angles. Or it could be an obtuse triangle. One of the three angles is greater than a right angle. So, this is our obtuse triangles. An obtuse triangle is a triangle that has one obtuse greater than 90 degrees angle. Maybe either isosceles, two equal sides and two equal angles, or scalene, no equal sides or angles. And this side is our acute triangles. An acute triangle is a triangle that has three acute or less than 90 degrees angles. Maybe equilateral, three equal sides and angles, isosceles or scalene. 4 cases of oblique triangle. ASA or SSA, law of signs. SSA, law of signs or ambiguous case. SAS, law of cosines. And SSS, law of cosines. Let's agree to a convention for labeling the parts of oblique triangles, generalizing the convention for right triangles. Let the angles be labeled A, B, and C, and the sides opposite them be labeled A, B, and C, respectively. Law of cosines. C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared is equals to 2AB cos C. Note that each triangle gives 3 equations for the law of cosines, since you can permute the letters as you like. The other 2 versions are then A squared is equals to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A, and B squared is equals to C squared plus A squared minus 2CA cosine B. The law of cosines relates the 3 sides of the triangle to one of the angles. First, if you know one angle and the 2 adjacent sides, then you can determine the opposite side. For instance, if angle C is equals to 60 degrees, side A is equals to 5 and side B is equals to 8. C squared is equals to 25 plus 64 minus 80 cosine 60 degrees is equals to 49. Square root of 49 is equals to 7. C is equals to 7. Second, if you know all 3 sides of a triangle, then you can use it to find any angle. For instance, if the 3 sides are A, small a is equals to 5, small b is equals to 6, and small c is equals to 7. 49 is equals to 25 plus 36 minus 60 cosine big C. Cosine big C is equals to 12 divided by 60 is equals to 0.2, and RC is equals to 1.3734, and the radians of 1.3734 is 78.69 degrees. The law of sines. Sine big A over small a is equals to sine big C over B equals sine big C over small a. Note that the law of sines says that 3 ratios are equal. First, if you know 2 angles and the side opposite one of them, then you can determine the side opposite the other one of them. For instance, If angle big A is equals to 30 degrees and angle big B is equals to 45 degrees and side small a is equals to 16, so sine 30 degrees over 16 is equals to sine 45 degrees over B. B is equals to 16 times sine 45 degrees over sine 30 degrees is equals to 22.6274. Second, if you know two sides of the angle opposite one of them, then you can almost determine the angle opposite the other one of them. For instance, if side small a is equals to 25, side small b is equals to 15, and angle big A is equals to 40 degrees, sine 40 degrees over 25 is equals to sine b over 15. Sine b is equals to 15 times sine 40 degrees over 25 is equals to 0.38567. The arcsine of 0.3867 is equals to 22.686 degrees.